Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up CSS for WebDigital Components. Now, you can see here we have a very basic website. We have a couple of pages about contact us. They all have some text, some images. So let's say we want to actually add some styling to the headings. So let's say I want to make the background light blue. All right. And or maybe let's pick a different color, light steel blue. There you go. All right. So you can see we have this style here, but it doesn't impact that. So what if I wanted to affect multiple headings in the page with just one simple rule, like whenever this changes, change that kind of thing. So in order to do that, we have to use CSS. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here, we're going to add a rule. So if you look at this one, this is a heading 1, and this one is a heading 2. So I want to add a rule that combines them together. So what I'm going to do is h1 comma h2. This is standard CSS syntax. And I add this rule. And what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to come and pick this style, cut it, and then I'm going to go into the CSS and over here, paste it, voila. Okay, so now we actually have a rule that impacts both headings. So the previous ones that we use, this style list over here, this is the inline styles of the element. And then there are inherited styles coming from CSS, which is what we just said. All right, so let's go to another page and see what happens. And what we see here is that the heading here does not take the same styling into effect. Why? So let's go to the previous one, and it's working here. So what's happening? So if we look at the CSS, we have, each component has their own CSS. So what we did is we actually added into the home page's styles. So by default, it adds it to the system adds the rules to the components CSS. So if you wanted to affect the entire site, you have to actually cut this. And then we're going to go into the root CSS and then paste it over here. So now, if we go into the About Us page, it's working there as well. So pretty much everything is now taking the same style. Now, whenever you look at something like that, you want to see like, okay, well, this one is getting impacted by this rule. But what are the other elements that are getting impacted? So you can actually click here and you can see the matching elements. What's actually getting updated over here. You can see all of them, just by clicking on the Element Rules tab. All right, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.